The untold story of Cernunnos reveals a shocking truth about our connection with nature. Cernunnos, the horned god of Celtic mythology, didn't just roam the forests. He embodied the cycle of life and death, the balance of nature. Before modern concepts of sustainability, Cernunnos was revered as a protector of the natural world. Lesser known is his association with the underworld, symbolizing the eternal cycle of life. Today, Cernunnos' myth resonates with our growing awareness of environmental conservation. He reminds us that harmony with nature is vital for survival. Which myth should I explore next? Comment below.